Sunod-sunod ngayon yung pag-release ng Vice Cosmetics ng mga complexion products. So previously, nag-launch sila ng skin tint called their BLURRFECTION skin tint. Yung BLURRFECTION skin tint, dahil skin tint siya, buildable to sheer lang yung coverage level niya. Now, with their newest release called yung Endlezz G Dream Focus Foundation, which are these bad boys right here. These are buildable medium coverage naman sila. So, if you have light acne marks, kagaya ko, or maybe slightly intense na acne marks, then expect that this foundation will be able to cover it up and absolutely even out your tone. I have zero foundation or any makeup at all on my face. Super bare-faced ako ngayon. So I will be trying these out for you guys so that we can discuss the performance of it on my face. So this is gonna be my first impression review of these products. By the way, before pala ako mag-swatch, I also want to mention yung mga other products that they also released during this collection. So we have their tools. So we have two kinds of sponges actually here. So meron tayong ng Perfection Sponge and Precision Sponge. And we also have here their foundation brush. And I will be using these. I think I'm gonna use this more than the sponges. We also have their primer. So this is their Aqua Grip Primer. And we also have their Endlezz G Soft Filter Powder. Now I'm gonna be swatching all the shades from my face to neck area. First, I'm gonna be swatching the shade Light. As soon as I pumped it out, parang ang creamy ng feel niya, which for me is a pretty good sign of a good foundation, I guess. And this is the shade Light. Next, I'll be swatching the shade Light 2. Yan. So, kita talaga dito sa Light 1 yung difference niya sa Light 2. So, eto, parang grayish sa akin yung Light 2. Compared naman sa Light 1, it is a little bit pinkish. So, bagay talaga sa mga cool-toned girls. Now, let's proceed to Light Medium 1. Light Medium 1. Ayan. Yung Light Medium 2 is warm-toned naman siya. This is Light Medium 2. For some reason, I don't know, but I find that Light Medium 1, yung neutral in tone, looks a little bit deeper than Light Medium 2. Yung brightness ng Light Medium 2 is way higher than the other one. Parang mas warm to, yung Light Medium 1 kasi sa Light Medium 2. Kulang ba? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Now, sa swatch ko naman is yung Light Medium 3, which is cool tone naman siya. This is Light Medium 3. So, parang feeling ko yung sequence dapat is Light Medium 1 to, yung sa gitna. Tapos Light Medium 2, and then Light Medium 3. Parang ganun dapat yung sequence. Pero yung sequence goes as Light Medium 1, Light Medium 2, and Light Medium 3. Which is, ang weird lang because this, the center one, is so light compared to the two. Especially this one. I feel like this one, yung Light Medium 3, is yung foundation shade ko. But let's proceed to the last 3 shades. The next one I have here, yung shade na medium. It's warm-toned naman siya. Ayan. This is medium. Now let's try tan. Last but not the least is yung deep. Ooh, this is really deep. Yung ka-shade ng deep shade nila is yung 33 Toffee, I guess, ng GRWM. Ganun siya ka-deep. Wow, that is chocolatey brown. Kitang-kita talaga siya, oh. Yan, kahit malayo monitor sa akin. So these are the shades that they are currently offering. Again, 8 shades yung ina-offer nila. By the way, I'm also gonna apply their primer first. So I'm gonna be using their Aqua Grip Primer. So let's see if meron siyang seal. Wala siyang seal. I'm also gonna be using their Buff and Blend foundation brush to apply the primer. Yan. And I like to be generous with my primer. Para it can really go in and fill in my pores, especially in this area, sa may T-zone area ko. And so far, so good. I'm liking the feel. I can feel that can really hold my foundation down. It reminds me so much of the Nivea na aftershave balm, but this one has a tighter consistency than the aftershave balm. Yung aftershave balm ng Nivea kasi parang mas runny yung feel niya. This one, more gel-like. But it does feel the same on the face. So I'm just gonna wait for this primer to be a little bit tacky before I apply my foundation. Kasi if I apply right away, the foundation will just move around. So yung primer ko is absolutely good to go na. Dahil I feel like I'm good to go. This foundation shade, I am gonna apply it now all over my face. So far, maganda naman yung foundation coverage niya. It has definitely evened out my tone. I don't feel the need to add any more layer except siguro dito sa under eye area ko. So now, I'm gonna proceed on the left side of my face, which is dito talaga yung mas madami akong acne marks. And here, also here, I wanna have this removed. And also, medyo nakikita talaga on this side yung veiny parts ng face ko. Okay, let's see. Ayan. Also here, dahil meron akong acne marks dyan. Okay, so far, so good. Ayan, so natakpan talaga yung aking acne marks. And also, all the things that I pointed out here earlier. Except this one, I feel like sa my sunspots area ko, medyo nagpipeek through pa siya, but not quite. I also comment lang regarding the brush. I like how it blends out the foundation. It doesn't leave any streaks on the face, which is good. Now, I'm gonna be shaping up my face, contouring it, brightening it up. For the contour, I'm gonna mix yung shade na tan and shade na deep because I feel like yung shade na deep is just too dark to use on me as contour. And then, I'm gonna be blending it out with the Vice Cosmetics brush as well, but this is their blush brush. Pero ngayon, gagamitin ko siya to blend out my contour. And when I blend out my contour, I make sure that I blend it beyond the hairline. Tapos yung na-notice ko, ewan ko lang ha, pero yung formula niya, medyo mabilis siya mag-set. I realized that it's much better to blend the foundation right away. Because it sets really fast. Parang kagaya siya ng Fenty Beauty foundation. Yung Pro Filter foundation, it also sets really fast. So I recommend with this foundation, blend agad as soon as it lands on your face. Parang hindi siya nagiging streaky kagaya nito. I know, may foundation patches. Akala ko madami siyang working time. But the thing is with that kind of formula, meaning mas mas maganda yung kapit niya sa skin. Now, I'm gonna brighten up my face naman. Konti lang yung ginagamit ko na product to brighten up my under eye area because I don't want a lot of product on that skin. And also here, konti lang din because I already have a large forehead. Now, I am gonna set my face with a soft filter powder. So, I'll use a small brush lang with this one because I'm not gonna remove the whole seal. Just so I can control the amount of product na malalabas lang. I'm just gonna run it all over my face. Hindi ako, guys, nagbe-bake ng face. I used to before, but not anymore. So for the powder, okay lang. Parang it reminds me of the ISSY & Co. mattifying powder na I wasn't a big fan of also. Okay, so right now, I'll be finishing up my makeup off cam and then i-discuss natin yung final thoughts ko. Alright, so this is my final look, you guys. So if you're wondering if ano yung lippie ko, I used yung ISSY & Co. na creme blush in the shade Strip. So this looks like a peachy nude. Caramel peachy nude on my lips. And then, for lip liner, of course, I love my lip liners. I used, of course, yung Vice Cosmetics na lip liner in the shade Kizz Me. Ito yung deepest na lip liner that they have. And highly, highly recommend to. Nagulat nga ako na available pa rin siya because for me, it's such a good product na I would think na sold out na agad yung product na to. But it's still here. It's still available sa Vice. So, better shop them now. I will drop the link in the description box below. So, now for my final thoughts and review. Okay, so for the Dream Focus Foundation, i-rate ko siya from 1 to 5. Siguro for the finish of it, I'm gonna rate it a finish ng foundation. I'm gonna give it a 5 over 5. 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. Yun na. So, for the finish, I love the finish of it. So, it's a 5 for me. And, yan. Wait I love the finish. And for the coverage, again, Hindi na ako nag-concealer guys kanina. Natakpan niya yung mga acne marks ko and also the discoloration on some parts of my face. And na-even out talaga yung tone ng skin ko. Kaya it's a 5 for me for the coverage. Comfortable yung wear niya. When I do a lot of facial movements, it doesn't feel like my face is gonna crack because of the product. Onto the Aqua grip. I like it a lot. Maganda yung kapit ng foundation dahil dito. On all skin types, this will work really, really well on you guys. Now for the brush, I really like their foundation brush a lot. The size and the length of the brush is just perfect. It's not too short compared sa previous brush collection nila. It's travel friendly, yes, but you know, it's just too small. I hope yung Vice Cosmetics mag-release pa sila ng mas madami pang brushes because ang ganda ng mga bristles ng brushes nila. The bristles of this brush is super duper kind on your skin, so it won't irritate your skin. So that's it for my first impression and review of the Dream Focus Foundation ng Vice Cosmetics. Again, thank you so much to Vice family for sending over your Dream Focus PR or your Endlezz G Collection. I'm really honored and thankful that you sent it over, and it feels like I'm still part of the party even though I wasn't in the actual event. So, but hopefully I do get to join you guys next time. So if you guys want to stay more and hang out with me on my channel, I have my playlist here ready for you guys to marathon. If you like this review and if you find it helpful, then please do give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.